Is playfulrewards.com a trustworthy platform or just another online gimmick? With so many websites promising rewards for playing games and answering surveys, it's essential to evaluate their credibility. In this review, we'll examine Playful Rewards based on user experiences, payment reliability, and overall legitimacy. What is Playful Rewards? Playful Rewards is a platform where users can earn money by playing games and completing short surveys. The website claims that every game played and every opinion shared contributes to real earnings in the form of cash or gift cards. The process is simple: play games, engage in various game genres tailored to your interests. Complete surveys. After gaming sessions, share your thoughts through quick surveys. Earn rewards, collect points and redeem them for cash or gift cards. User feedback: is it legit? Positive reviews. Many users report that Playful Rewards delivers on its promise. They appreciate the wide selection of games and the ability to earn rewards while enjoying their favorite activities. Some users have successfully redeemed their points for PayPal cash or gift cards, praising the platform's straightforward approach. Negative reviews. On the flip side, some users have encountered issues with payments and task tracking. Complaints include surveys not registering completed responses, delays in receiving payouts, poor customer service when addressing concerns. Reviews from platforms like Reddit, Trustpilot, and the Google Play Store highlight these mixed experiences. While some cash out successfully, others struggle with uncredited points and non-responsive support. Is Playful Rewards safe? Playfulrewards.com has a moderate trust score on scam detection websites. While it does not appear to be an outright scam, inconsistencies in user experiences suggest caution. New users should start small to test the platform's reliability before investing significant time. Final verdict: should you try it? Playful Rewards is a legitimate platform, but it's not without flaws. If you enjoy casual gaming and want to earn small rewards, it could be worth trying. However, if fast and guaranteed payouts are your priority, you may want to explore other options.